Oh my god, I just received Manus invite. Great name for a product. That's very close to my pseudo, which was Manu for years, and it's now Mano. But let's try it. Like, how should I try it? It's only 1,000 credits to go. Let's say, let's analyze databases market. Please give me some stats on their ranking and provide some of the current trends. Please build some web app to show it. Let's go. It started to think, while Manus is working, you can send messages anytime to modify tasks. Nice. It's researching. Yeah, so first it's doing its to-do file. Oh, I can browse the to-do file. And it's like a to-do list, you know? Okay, now check, 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 check. And as far as I've seen the demos, it will check all the boxes. Of course, it went directly to DB Engine's ranking. Not a big surprise for me. That's how I will do it. Is it possible to open here? Okay. Browsing. Oh, when you click that it's browsing, you can preview the browsing process. Here it was scrolling down. Browsing. That's real time. Yeah, I'm not accelerating that. Maybe it lasts so long that I will cut and accelerate the middle part of the video. I really like the GUI of it. Like, it's like a feeling that finally your software works for you, and like it's using many tools, yeah, because it was doing the sandbox things on Ubuntu. It created this file, it started to search Google, then it started to visit the very good website for that task. And of course it's long, so it was scrolling. It was browsing. Then Stack Overflow as well contains some stats on the most popular technologies. And there was like a Stack Overflow developer survey, which gives the results as well. Oh, it thinks that Gartner is a good source for it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. It went to Google version of the quadrant. Oh, it looked up the quadrant. Cool. Will it extract from the quadrant? I have no clue how long will it last. Okay, that's the plan. So it's researching and will collect the database rankings. It's now collected. Oh, it's progressing. I'm lost a little bit. Let me see how this to-do list looks like. Okay, to-do list is still jump to live. Oh, that was a version of to-do lists. Already this is checked. Market trends are getting checked. Jump to live. Okay, some other sources found by googling database market trends. Cloud databases. It's getting quite wide research. Let me just look at this, because it will last a little. Oh, have you seen that? It's interacting with the page. It was identifying the elements. Maybe it's now then, it's like an operator which will click through. Yeah, I think it went further. In my opinion, that's the most impressive agent demo I can see. Like here we have a task of making a research. It would be interesting to check its possibility with I don't know, coding, maybe pizza ordering for me. And that the beauty is at the end, because it will create. That's what I've seen in the demos of Manus, that it's able to create and deploy a web app with the results and findings of this, what was gathered. I'm really curious how this goes. I will try another task. Is it possible to bring another task to game? Yeah. I already burned like 210 credits. Have Manus confirm plans at task starts and key milestones. Okay, so it can ask. Let's accept it. I'm curious, will it ask? Now it's stopping the work and asking. Okay, I would like to focus on databases for analytics in the cloud. Bing. That's very interesting that the agent can run and you can put new context into it. What it's doing with this? Okay, the suggested knowledge. Analyze connected market data. How many steps still to go? It's analyzing. It's making the markdown file with this analysis. Somewhere here, like pick. Okay. Ah, my lovely Snowflake, Redshift, BigQuery, Synapse, Databricks, Aurora, Spanner, Cosmos DB. Yeah, just remember that it's about analytical workloads. There is no Mongo, which should show up if we focus on the cloud transactional databases. Okay, it did plenty of stuff. Now it's doing the application development. Prepare data for visualization, creating file. That's like some stats. Oh, Snowflake is going up by 6 points or percents. That will be a long video. Well, let's keep it in details. Let's keep it in normal speed. Maybe I will increase the speed by 1.4. This is like starting to do Next.js app. Data folder structure. Even database. Oh my god, will it be so interactive that it will have front end and back end? Not just like a single web app concept. Database. Which database? Okay, I think it's just in JSON. File database. Dingy. How many steps more? It's still developing. Manus is working. Mano is not. Watching agents at work. That's kind of a new sport, huh? Will it cause that we will have more time for coffee while browsing agents' work, or will I make like 5 research projects running in parallel? Okay, it's still developing. Developing. This is the page in TypeScript. Still on Ubuntu on some local machine. Nice. How far we are? Still developing. I'm really curious to see that website. I don't know what this knowledge suggestion. So I will save it that I'm mainly interested in such databases. But I don't want to make it permanent thing here, because it contains some kind of knowledge space. Okay, this knowledge is like knowledge for the agent. I want confirmations before proceeding. So probably once it's finished with the development, it will as well ask some stuff. Jump to live. So it did the application. Now it will start to deploy and test web application. Of course, there is nothing to ask about, probably. Probably that's always a default hosting of Manus. What it's doing. Next.js is going on Vercel with it. Building. I hope no secrets are relieved. Hello Manus, so we have an app. Please confirm to the public network. It's not my machine, let it be. Deploying static project. Okay. Updating plan using terminal. This is lovely, huh? Let's minimize it. This miniature of preview of the computer, what's going on. So that there is like a virtual machine provisioned to make these tasks. What's the result? What it is doing now? It's secretly using terminal. Is there a preview here of this what's done on the terminal? No. Last preview is just okay. Now it's like showed me the preview. Updating plan now. Editing files. Doing some corrections on the website. Later on I will be able to share with you the replay of this process, and as well probably this app link. Let's see. Which step we are still using terminal, using this virtual machine to create that website with analysis. What a nice surprise on April Fool's Day. Something deprecated. Some errors with the codes. I'm curious where we at. Like, let's bring new task and see. My half of quota is gone. I hope it's possible to buy more. I think here, like, you can upgrade, and these are the prices, like upgrade to starter, but I will later on try, like the membership services in beta, $40 a month. Why not, if it's doing good job for you? Curious if there is like quota on this, what it's doing. Still making a loop of development to try to build it. Still correcting the files, doing the npm run build, and failing. Come on, bring that final I want to see the final. Da-da-dum. Oh, it's finalizing, it's launching it. Deploy the application, test deployed application. Prepare final report for user, probably a summary what was done. "20 minutes. No expectations. Live recording. Key findings. Here is the result. Let's say. Is it like finished? Let me make it smaller. Here is this final result. Let's see if this is a variable. That's temporary. Manus has completed the task. I can share it. Okay. Let's see this website. Database rankings. Postgres. Cloud adoption going up 8%. Market expected to grow with the following rate. Okay, that's not that much interaction. And it didn't focus on analytic engines. Oh, what's that? I clicked somewhere. Database ranking. Ah, one database rankings, and I have a chart, interactive chart. Mongo, Snowflake. Wow. So this is from DB Engines. This is from Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow for developers. Yeah, some key insights. Nice. Database market trends. Da-di-da. Cloud is growing. Hybrid is growing. On-premise is going down. Which kind of databases? Relational, document. Vector at the end. Real-time. AI/ML. Key trends. Cloud migration acceleration. Wow. Strange that there is no back button, but I'm pressing. Cloud analytics databases. The one I was interested about. Market growth projection, not potential. Come on. Nice. Industry adoption, multi-cloud. Cool. Top cloud analytical databases. Looks good. Multi-cloud. Rapid market growth. Yeah, this is awesome. And this is clickable? No. Wow. Let's go back to Manus. What is this? Static route. So this is the result. I'm curious if it will be like a temporary. This temporary page with limited accessibility. Ask Manus to deploy permanently. Please deploy this page permanently and give me back the link. Be-de-ding. Let's deploy it permanently so I can share this with you, so that you can see with your own eyes how it works. And that's the end. So just a quick reminder, that was my prompt. Let's analyze database market, stats and trends, build some web app to show it. Then during an execution, I was asked, because I configured it like this, I was asked which aspects are the most interesting for me, and it added to the job. Then it's summarized. And build that app, which is available temporary under that virtual machine created for me. And now I ask to deploy it permanently, so that it's like a fixed URL for us. Who will pay for the hosting? Me? I don't think so. This is awesome. Completely disrupted with that mail with invite to Manus. Kudos to that team in China doing such nice orchestrator for that. It's amazing. I think they plan to open source it, which will be crazy. I think they say that they have trained, fine-tuned some special model, probably the model which is doing the orchestration. That's what I think. And as far as I have heard, this is going through Anthropic models to make it happen. So the secret sauce is this fine-tuned model to orchestrate, and very nice developed front end. I really like to see what's going on. This compiled successfully. So I can hide or expand these details. That will be a long video. I think I will cut it into the beginning and the result. Probably I will be out of credits very soon. 300 credits left, and this job is still done. Can't really understand what it's still doing. If this was working before, why it's changing the files. Okay, doing some kind of deployment. Compiled successfully. Once more. Doing something with the files. You need to be patient. Agentic result. Website developed with results of research. That's awesome. If somebody says it's hype, I don't think so. This is real. It's 1st of April, but it delivers. And I couldn't fake such a long process. Thinking, doing some magic in the terminal and not showing it, because I don't believe this is running so long on like 3 pages. of the output. So that was like a temporary app. Do I allow? Allow. Allow. English. Deployed. Doobie-doobie-doo. Successfully deployed. Static project as ahap.e. Here it is. Completed the task. Oh, let me rate it so well. Very good sources. Nice web app at the end. Thank you for that invite. Give me more credits, please. I want to continue testing. Okay, so here we have, so just for the video shortcut, it was running, it was searching pages, it was condensing that, summarizing that knowledge, then building website, then testing this website in a dedicated environment. Then I ask it to deploy it for public usage. Here is the result, and I will share the link. This will be permanently available. It's made with Manus. Cool. Database rankings. Interactive charts with stats from DB Engines ranking, Mongo, Snowflake, the classical old stuff. Stack Overflow developer survey, the databases for developers, mainly as backends for the front ends. Some key insights. Postgres leads adoption. Cloud analytical leader. Snowflake has entered in the top DB engines ranking. Yeah, that's cool. Database market trends. Let's see this. Oh, yeah, this is like on-premise going down, hybrid and cloud going up. Databases, relational, document, key value, graph, time series, vector, everything explained. Importance, analytics features importance, real time is crucial, AI ML, scalability. Cool. Key trends, on-premise database deployments are projected to decrease. Database model diversification, analytics future priorities, ML, AI, correct. Back, cloud analytics databases. Market growth projections, of course, it has to grow to $8.6 billion. Industry, financial services, retail, media. Multi-cloud is the most often used strategy already. Okay. Market leaders: BigQuery, Snowflake, Redshift, Synapse, Databricks. Two of them in multi-cloud. Rapid market growth, multi-cloud strategy, industry adoption patterns, future outlook. Okay. There's no back button, but I'm pressing the back button. So I used all of that. This is not clickable. This is like key insights. Top database for developers, Postgres. Top database. And as you can see, fastest growing database type. Graph databases. Cloud market leaders, BigQuery, Snowflake, Redshift. Key trend for this year: AI, ML integration and analytic databases. Thank you for watching. Click the links which I will provide with the video and enjoy. I will try once more when I will have more credits what Manus can do for you.